All right, now that I've finished this super sweet Cubby's built-in, I don't know what you call this shit, but now that I'm done this, I need to work on this. It doesn't look great, but should be easy, maybe? I'm not sure, but we need to work on it and build cabinets. Cabinets. Never done that before. No idea what I'm doing. Let's try. This might trigger some people, but personally, the messier the shit is, I find it so much easier to work in. Because when I come in here, I cannot get to work right away. I have to actually unload mental capacity just to move random shit from another project that I didn't move the last time. Whatever reason. Anyways, I'm going to move a couple things and then cut some plywood down because cabinets need sides. Usually you make it from plywood. Yeah, I got to do that. Cut plywood, move a couple things, kind of make it safe, like 50% safe. Not 100% because then there's no risk factor. So yeah, just 50% safe. So there's always that 50% risk. Yeah. All right, so just as I was about to get started, had the PPE on, I noticed one thing. Our outfeed roller is not gonna hold our material correctly. Well, it will. We gotta be like 50% safe. So, what we gotta do, we need some additional support back there, because that big guy, you know, it's good in the middle, but it's not really gonna work over there. So we gotta help out, and I have the perfect solution. A garbage can. It's about the right height. Just wanted to let you know. Keep it safe.
A few moments later.
You know, part of me was trying to be funny, but the garbage can idea is actually so good. Look at this. It's got wheels. So we got wheels here, and we got wheels here. It's perfect. I just wanted to show you that. Alright, so we got these bad boys ripped down to 24 inches. And I gotta say, our little roll-a-majig here, it works skookum. I highly recommend the wheeled garbage can for an outfeed table. Let's keep going. Alright, for the more astute viewers out there, you probably cringed a little bit, because that's not how you should cut panels for a finished product. But that's all I got. Yeah, I don't got the right tools. My table saw it doesn't go big enough. Anyways, good on you for noticing. All right, so we cut down our side panels, our base panel. Now, we just finished the last two upper supports where the countertop's gonna go on. So, we just have to cut that to width. Then we can connect our carcass. And then everything's skookum. I think that's the last thingamajig to do. So we're going to do that. It's going to be quick, like a blink of an eye. Okay, we got all our pieces cut up, so we just have to assemble it now. We're gonna do a dry fit. We're gonna do a dry fit first, in case something's not so great. Dry fit, then we'll put some glue, and then it's kind of a done deal. Let's dry fit it. Couple steps. Alright, well, you know what they say. If it looks like a cabinet, it talks like a cabinet, and it screws in like a cabinet, it must be a cabinet. So I think we have success here. There's a couple things left to do. We need to make the base that lifts the cabinet up. You know, your toe kick area, so you don't kick your feet kind of thing. And we got to glue it together. But that's all that time I have for today. So until next time, get your cabinet on. Thanks for watching. All right, well,